Did you know Ryobi Days are back? I want to go over a few, at least 5, of the best deals I think's out there. One of them's ending real soon, but I'm still going to include it. I think it ends like Monday, the 1st. So let's just take a look at it first. It's going to be this 12 tool combo kit. It's got 3 batteries and a charger. This thing is coming in at $629. And you notice it says for 17 hours and 49 minutes. It's Sunday, but still, I thought it was such a good value that you might want to take a look at it. I want you to see what's in here. Now, these are brushed tools. They're not brushless. But for you guys starting out, this is a full kit, a full set. So you got the impact driver, you got the regular screwdriver, you got a sander, jigsaw, oscillating tool, an impact wrench. You got a miter saw. These are really, really handy. What else you got here? You got a side grinder, circular saw. I think it's probably the 5.5 inch, charger, recip saw, and even the airstrike nailer. This is all for $629 with 3 batteries. I don't think you're going to beat that price anywhere. But you need to act soon if you want to look at this one. Now let's look at some of those Ryobi Day battery deals. First off, we got that buy one, get one. And notice these are the 18-volt lithium. This is a starter kit, but you're going to get a free tool with this. So this particular kit has a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. But then you get to pick a tool. So that's the best part of it. And look at these tools. You can need anything from the inflator to the recip, 2 fans. Those things are super handy. I own them. I own many of these tools. This tool is also great, this other fan. You got the recips, you got, hedge trimmers, you got side grinders, you got blowers, you got the jigsaws, you got lights. 99 bucks. That's 2 batteries, a 4 amp hour, and a charger, and a 2 amp hour, and a free tool, all for 99 bucks. So you can make your own sale with this one. All right, next we have another buy one, get one. This one has 2 4 amp hour, and these are the better batteries, the high performance, and a 2 amp hour battery and a charger, 199 bucks. And once again, these are the high performance. But on top of that, you also get a free tool. So let's take a look. You can get that vacuum, you can get a blower, a scrubber, an impact wrench, once again, that airstrike nailer, and I believe that's a 7.25 inch circular saw, a fan, and it says and more. There are several more that you could add to this. 199 bucks. The batteries alone are worth more than that. So you might want to take a good look at this one if you're needing a tool and a few of those high performance batteries. Can't hardly be beat. I wanted to add another combo kit. This one I actually showcased in another video comparing it with the Milwaukee and DeWalt. I still think it's a super deal, so I wanted to hit it here again. This is a 6 tool combo, 199 bucks. It comes with 2 batteries, a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour, and a charger. Look at this. You're getting an impact driver, you're getting a drill, a nice bag, you're getting that 5.25 inch circular saw, a recip, and an oscillating tool. It's just hard to believe you can get that many tools for that price. So once again, if you're starting out or you just need a second set in the basement or in the garage or in your shed, hey, can't go wrong with this set. This one I think is the best deal out of all of them. These are high performance batteries. You get a kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries, a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and then you're going to get a free 2-pack of 4 amp hour high performance batteries. 199 bucks. I don't think you're going to beat this across any platform. I don't care if it's Lowe's. I don't care if it's Harbor Freight. I don't care if it's Ace Hardware. I don't think anybody's going to have this deal. So if you're needing batteries, you already have some of the tools, or even if you don't, I don't think you're going to beat this deal if you have to buy the tools one at a time. You could buy this deal in one of the starter packs and get you, your drill set. There's a 2-pack of those for $99, the impact and the regular drill. So I think these are some great buys. This is during Ryobi Days, and if you get a chance, jump on over there. I hope these were beneficial to you, and I'll try to showcase a few more deals, but I really thought it was important to show these Ryobis, and I believe you can get these online and in store. So hope it works out for you. Give me a comment, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Let me know what you're going to buy. Until that next video, y'all take care.